Hello children, I once again welcome you to your EVS class. We were going through chapter 1 about me. Today we will do Let's Do It. Compare yourself with your best friend. Complete the table below to find out how similar or different you are. Here some details are given in the three columns. First column is having details. In the second column you have to fill about yourself, and in the third column you have to fill about your friend. Okay, now in the first line you have name, so you have to write your own name under I column and your friend's name under my friend column. Now age, height, favorite color, favorite food, favorite game and favorite storybook. You have to give detail about everything of yours and of your friends, and at the end you will find they both are different. Okay, so different people have different taste. Okay, now let's go through the recap. Summing up, we are born as babies, then we grow into young boys and girls, and when we are 13 years old, what do we call them? Yes, we call them teenagers. And when a person becomes of 18 year of age, what do we call them? We call them adults. Now number 3, as we grow old, we change in some ways, but some parts of us remain the same. Now number 4, we all look different and like different things, but all of us are special. Now let's go through exercises. Exercise A, write yes or no. Number 1, the size of our shoes changes as we grow older. Just think about your own shoes. As you are growing up, you need new shoes because the last one has become small. Okay, so the size of your shoes is also getting changed as you are growing up. Yes or no? So what we will write? Yes. Now number 2, all of us have white hair when we are babies. So what do you observe? Babies have white hair or black hair? They have black hair, and this statement is wrong. So we will write no. Now number 3, we become teenagers when we are 21 years old. Now we have gone through the recap that we become teenagers when we are 13 years old, and here it is written 21. So it is wrong. We will write no. Now number 4, as we grow older, our clothes become smaller in size. So what about your earlier uniform or earlier dresses? Have they become small? Yes, they have become smaller in size because you are growing bigger. You are growing. Okay, so it is correct. So we will write yes. Now number 5, we become adults when we are 12. Is it correct? No. When we are 18 years of age, then we call adults, and here it is written 12. So it is not correct. We will write no. Okay children, do this exercise in the book. Now exercise B, fill in the blanks. Number 1, we are all dash from each other. So we are all different from each other. Now number 2, we are born as babies. When we born, what were we? We were small babies. Now number 3, as we grow dash, we change in some ways. As we grow older, we change in some ways. Now number 4, we become dash when we are 18 years old. So what do we become when we are 18 years old? Yes, we become adult. Now number 5, we dash new things as we grow older. So we learn new things as we grow older. Every day we learn these or that thing. Okay, now let's move to exercise C. Tick the things that are true about you and cross out the ones that are false. Children, you have to see the things in you, okay? What is correct for you and what is not correct for you, okay? Number 1, I am naughty at times. You know it very well whether you are naughty or not. Sometimes you ask your parents, if it is there, you put a tick. If it is not, you will put a cross. I can't do it because different children, I told you na, have different qualities. Number 2, I have a few milk teeth. You find it out yourself in your mouth whether you have milk teeth or not. Then you have to tick or cross. Okay, you judge yourself. Now, number 3, I do not have a nickname. Children, what is nickname? Some of your parents might be calling you like Guddi or Babu or Bittu or Choti other than your special name, what you have in the school. Then that is your nickname. So, number 3 is I do not have a nickname. If you do not have, then you will put a tick. And if you have a nickname, your parents call you with a nickname, then you will put a cross. Now, number 4, I like to play with friends. I think most of you might be liking to play with your friends, so you will put a tick. If you don't like, then you will put a cross. Now, number 5, I feel sad when mother gets angry. Even I'll feel sad when my mother gets angry, so you will put a tick, because obvious all the child, they might be feeling sad when their mother gets angry. Now, number 6, I love to get wet in the rain. So do you like? If you like, you will put a tick. If not, you will put a cross. It's your own choice, okay? It's your own likings. Now, number 7, I enjoy playing with clay. If you like playing with clay, you will put a tick. If not, you will put a cross. So this way, complete all exercise A, B and C in your book itself. Okay, children, you will complete this exercise in the book only. I will give you some hard words to write in the copy either today or in the next class. You will complete this work in your book. So this much for today, children. Take care. Thank you.